Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's just a short video. I'm replacing the intake manifold gasket on a 98 K2500 5.7 liter. Quite a few steps to the overall process, but in general for this particular video, I just want to show you how and why you need to remove the power steering pump to change the intake manifold. It seems that in GM's infinite wisdom, when they produce the bracket that goes on the driver's side of the motor, that has the power steering pump and the air conditioning compressor, that the back of the air conditioning compressor bracket hangs over the first intake manifold bolt, making it impossible to actually reach it and creating a problem for you to line your gasket up and put your silicone in place and all that. Let's see if I can get a better shot of that. Okay guys, here's leaning over the driver's side fender, and you can see up under there there's the bolt, the first intake manifold bolt on the driver's side. It's up under the air conditioning bracket. There's really no way to adequately get that out. Even if you could loosen it at this position, the bolt is long enough that it would make contact with the bottom of the bracket. And I'd considered at some point to modify the bracket so it would make it easier to access, but decided based on the way it's configured, that's probably not a good idea. It might affect the integrity of that bracket, and I don't want to do that. So we're going to have to remove the power steering pump pulley so that we can access all the bolts necessary to remove the bracket from the front of the motor so we can access this bolt. This is the tool I'm going to use to remove the pump. It's a performance tool W87020. I'm sure there's plenty of others on the market, and I've had this one quite some time. I was found a long time ago that it's better to, in most cases, to go ahead and buy the tool instead of trying to rent it from your local store. Just have it, and that way when you need it, you've got it. Okay, I shot the front of the pulley there with a little PB blast. The instructions for the tool say to put the best fitting side of these two halves against your pulley. And the best fitting sides are going to be the ones that have the tighter radius. Okay, that's on there, feels pretty secure. Put the outer ring to hold the two halves in place, and go ahead and snug that up by hand. Now it's a matter of just tightening it up. As always, practice a little safety. Have your fingers free of anything, so if it slips like that, you don't bust a finger. Is removed. Now that wasn't so hard, was it? Thanks for watching. Appreciate a thumbs up. Have a great day.